So gonna cut myself a nose. Have I introduced you to Beverly? She's a little high maintenance.
I've been Wendy, living with the Lost Boys. You spent as a deckhand on the convoy. Moved every night to prove we were something. Got confused if it was from a two that we were running. I've seen Gibraltar, I've seen the Taj Mahal. Soweto, Hagia Sophia, ships out on painted walls. Blue, I played.
Dirty hands is a huge turn off. And the dirt seems to get right underneath your fingernails too. No matter how much I love this car, she always seems to break on me all the time. Today, we have an issue with our steering rack. It's leaking all over the floor. Guys, what am I doing? This isn't a car show. This is a massage show. We're talking about massage stuff and hands and dirty hands and nails and how to make it feel really good. So let's get back to that. Let's chat about nails. It's not something that we talk about, not with couples. Like, put it this way, every good professional massage practitioner takes care of their nails. They keep them short, they keep them clean, and they also make sure that it's smooth as well, because you can feel it during a massage. So this is why I wanted this Friday night tutorial to chat about the state of your nails. And you see, mine actually still, even though I was wearing gloves, they're still dirty from yesterday. But you don't have to be a grease monkey to have crappy nails and dirty nails as well. Like the nail biters. Sometimes I bite, but if you're a nail biter or the nail breaks, happens to all of us, guys and girls, you'll feel that scratchiness when you're massaging your partner. Especially when I go deep, you can see that Emma's skin folds up in front like a wave. And if my fingernails are too long, even that right there, I think is too long. My partner will feel that. There's scratchiness that's happening. If you bite your nails have an inconsistency to it, your partner feels that. And it's not just a little feel, they really feel that underneath their skin. Grab an emery board, just give them a quick once over. It doesn't take long, just seconds, a few zoom, 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 back and forth. It really does make a difference. Remember, this is the 1%ers that you do with your massages that elevate you from being amateurish to being top of the line, like A grade, professional grade, right? Because that's what the really good massage therapists do. They take care of the 1%ers that just establish them and make them totally epic compared to everyone else. Now, what about you guys have got acrylic nails, you know, those hard, long nails? Makes it really difficult to get in with your fingertips because your nails are protruding out, but you can use your nails to your advantage, and you should, like scratching the scalp and really using your nails slowly into your partner's scalp is divine. It's one of those, it's like those head scratches. The nails are the same thing. Use it to your advantage. Work on your partner using your acrylics, but don't make it your go-to move. You need to start learning how to use the pads of your fingers, right? Rather than, if you can't use your fingertips, use the pads of your fingers. It's going to be I don't know what the hell that was. Oh, wow. Dying. All right. I think spring's kicked in. And I never get hay fever. But I'm like dying at the moment. Anyways. Okay, back to acrylics. Some of the problems you'll face when using acrylics and trying to massage your partner is it's going to be difficult to pick muscles up because nails get in the way, especially the meaty, you know, those deep tissue areas of tension, knots on your partner's body. Hard to collect them. Try using the pads of your fingers, but you can also use the heel of your palm to switch up. So heel of your palm driving into knots. There's always a way. Like, it doesn't have to be the one way. It doesn't, even the videos that I do in the masterclass, there's always other alternatives or other ways to think of things. In the masterclass, I try and put as many techniques, help you be able to use and build up your own toolkit, but there still is more. I remember actually once in the early stages of my career, when I was 23, I think, I was washing a glass. I can't remember, it must be my left hand. No, it was my right hand. I was washing a glass, and the glass broke, cut me on both sides. I lost feeling out of here. And it was just me, right? Like, I was just massaging, just starting out. I had no employees at this stage, no practitioners working with me. So, you know, it's either make no money for a few weeks while my hand heals, or figure out a way to massage where I don't use my hand. And people didn't know, you know, I didn't tell them that my hand was out of use, but I still had another hand, I had a forearm, I had elbows, and I still was able to incorporate a massage using my forearm, using my elbow, and using my left hand, while this guy spent 2 weeks to heal. Actually, it took a while. Even now, you know, like when I press down, I can feel the nerve firing, the ulnar nerve firing down my little finger. So maintaining good, healthy nails is super important. Maintaining a good, healthy old BMW is important too. It's one of those things, careful what you wish for. For like ever, I've wanted a sports car, a fast car that I can throw around the corners. And I wanted a car that I could work on. Well, this car, I'm constantly underneath it. It's always something going on. It's not the only issue. I've got to replace the starter motor, and we need to do valve adjustments as well. That's not going to be easy. Some major car surgery happening in the next few weeks. I had no idea I'd ever do a tutorial on YouTube about nails. If you had told me 12 months ago, Dennis, this is what would be happening, you'd be doing tutorials on YouTube about nails, I would have laughed at you. But here's the thing, I don't think any massage practitioner on YouTube has even done a tutorial on nails or put any importance on these little 1%ers. 1%ers that make all the difference, that make crappy massage practitioners into really good practitioners, or the average couple to be able to just emulate that, what the professionals do. So if you want to learn the techniques, link is below. Go check out my masterclass. Everything's there. Go learn the techniques and come back to these Friday night tutorials where we cover the 1%ers and really make you into an awesome, I don't want to say practitioner because that's not what I'm about, or a massage therapist. That's not what I'm doing. We're just giving our partners amazing back rubs. That's all we're doing here. This weekend, grab your oil bottle, get your hands on each other because it's really good for you, and I'll see you next Friday. Doesn't start, look. Did you hear that? Starter motor issues. Oh, come on. This makes me so nervous. Damn it, that's 4 times. It's not starting. Come on, Bev. Started. Woo. So here's the banjo bolt. That's what it looks like. It's the first time I've ever seen one. That's cool. And yeah, these guys were the culprit. I think it was $5 to fix, huh? Could you imagine how much it cost in BMW? It would have been a fortune.